Hello friends, welcome back to my channel NS English Academy. This is Sonia. Today I come with lots of revision and fact and information which will very beneficial for you for upcoming UGC NET English exam and other exams of English literature, right? Like assistant professor exam also will helpful for you kinds of questions. Okay, so let's discuss without having much time. First we have Samuel Johnson, considered 18th century essayist, critic, and lexicographer, wrote English dictionary and founder of periodical name Rambler, came in the year 1750. Next we have George Herbert, sent metaphysical poetry he wrote and also pattern poems like Easter, Wings, Alaster, Trio are the pattern poems written by George Herbert, and also wrote poetry collection named Temple, in which he discussed about the sacred poems and a priest to the temple. Next we have T.S. Eliot, who received Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1948 and wrote revolutionary work named The Wasteland, which published 1922. Next we have Alexander Pope, considered satirist of Augustan age. He wrote famous mock epic of A Rape of Lock, which published 1712, right? Hope you all know about this work, The Lives of the Poet, published in the year 1779, critical work written by Samuel Johnson, in which he mentioned about 52 poets and he begin with Cole, right? Information must be brief but important for exam point of view, right? Next, we have An Apology of Poetry, or you can say The Defense of Poesy, written by Philip Sidney, in which he talks about or he tells about three kinds of poetry. Number one, religious; second, imaginative; and number third, philosophy and history. Right? Next, we have Harold Bloom, who gave theory Anxiety of Influence, in which he suggests 6 revisionary ratio, and one we have Kleinamate, which means poetic misreading, right? Next, medium is the message. This term or phrase coined by Canadian educator and theorist named Marshall McLuhan in his work Understanding Media, or subtitled The Extensions of Man, which published 1964. Next we have Noam Chomsky, considered father of modern linguistics, right? Noah Webster, most important American lexicographer and considered father of American scholarship and education, right? The Mark on the Wall, first published story by Virginia Woolf in the year 1917. Most important fact, right? The Mark on the Wall, written by Virginia Woolf, first published story considered की जाती है and in the year 1917. Pale Fire, right? Novel consists long poem written by Vladimir Nabokov in the year 1962 and lines 999, right? And written in the form of heroic couplet, right? Here are some poems written by Philip Larkin. Number one, Deception, considered dark poem, written in 2 stanzas. Second, Faith Healing. Next, Sad Steps, published 1974. And then we have Wild Oats, published 1962, right? Next, we have Seamus Heaney, wrote Strange Fruit poem, right? And about the Granville Man, Punishment, 1975, Bog Queen. These are the poems written by Seamus Heaney, right? The Duchess of Malfi, considered Jacobean revenge tragedy, right? Next, I'm going to discuss structuralism. What is their point of view? What they consider? What their belief? Okay. In point I mention here, just read one by one. Okay. First, they believe in concern, sign, and significance. Next, they challenge long-standing belief that literature reflects a given reality. See guys, we have no more time for exam, so definitely I will suggest you just point to point you will have to read or revise or practice again and again. It will help you. Just don't dive into the big syllabus, because you cannot cover in that much time. So I just suggest you only just make important notes, kinds of questions which have been asked in UGC net and repeated also. So revolved revolving these kinds of question will help you, and again you just practice all these questions will definitely help you to crack or to score good marks in UGC NET English exam, right? So I'm just talking about the structuralism, what they are believe all signs are arbitrary but without them we cannot comprehend reality. क्योंकि जब एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है इट विल रियली वेरी हार्ड टू टू चूज़ दी ऑप्शंस, क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा नियर बाय ऑप्शंस होते हैं चूज़ करने के लिए. सो डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव टू क्विक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वो आपकी कब आएगी जब आपने बहुत अच्छे से क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस किया होगा. सो दीज क्वेश्चन काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस फॉर यू, राइट? सो अभी मैं बोल रही थी स्ट्रक्चरलिज्म क्या बोलते हैं, दे आर जस्ट बिलीव इन दी ऑल साइंस की आर्बिट्रेरी होने चाहिए, बट इनका मानना है कि विदाउट दैम वी कैन नॉट कॉम्प्रीहेंड रियलिटी. दे कांट एक्चुअली कॉम्प्रीहेंड रियलिटी विदाउट द साइन एंड द आर्बिट्रेरीनेस, राइट? नेक्स्ट दे बिलीव इन होलनेस, राइट? सिस्टम शुड फंक्शन एज होल, क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू दैम सिस्टम जो वर्क करता है वो होलनेस की तरह वर्क करता है. नेक्स्ट दे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, राइट? सिस्टम शुड नॉट बी स्टैटिक, ये कहते हैं कि स्टैटिक नहीं रहना चाहिए सिस्टम को, सिस्टम मस्ट बी ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव, राइट? एंड नेक्स्ट दे आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट सेल्फ रेगुलेशन, लाइक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर शुड नॉट बी चेंज. वो बोलते हैं कि बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर को रिमेन सेम रहना चाहिए, उसको चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में बिलीव करते हैं कि सिस्टम को कभी भी स्टैटिक नहीं रहना चाहिए. सो दीज आर द बिलीव्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरलिज्म. ऑप्शंस में क्वेश्चंस आ जाता है एंड आप इजीली उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं अगर आपने पॉइंट टू पॉइंट उसको पढ़ा हुआ है, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, here are some important writers and their nationality which have been already asked in UGC NET exam, and उसी के बिहाल पे मैंने important कुछ authors को select करके ये list में आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ. Okay, let's discuss. First we have Chinua Achebe, right? This is the time period of Chinua Achebe and belong to a nationality Nigerian novelist. We study Chinua Achebe in African literature, right? Next we have Pierre Bourdieu and his nationality actually in French author he is. John Fiske, American author. Michael D. Cartier, French author. Janice Redway, American female writer, feminist writer she is actually, right? Julia Kristeva, Bulgarian, born French writer. And Heinrich Heine, German poet. Joseph Marti, Spanish poet. Sylvia Plath, English poet but born in America, right? Charles Baudrillard, French poet. Next we have Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Colombian novelist considered he is, right? Next we have Chinua Achebe, Nigerian. Umberto Eco, Italian author. Next we have Vladimir Prof, whose nationality is Russia, like Russian author he is. Next we have meta language. What is meta language? Properties of language, second order language, object language, describe another language, right? Important work, exam point of view, Civil Disobedience, essay published 1849, written by American transcendentalist H.D. Thoreau, Henry David Thoreau, most important writer. When he is in jail, इन्होंने जब ये वर्क लिखा था, he was in jail and decided to punish his body, right? उस समय उस पीरियड में इन्होंने इसको लिखा था. Next we have The English Mail Coach, essay written by Thomas G. Quincy, same year 1849, right? In Blackwood Edinburgh magazine this work published. और इसके अंदर 3 sections में this work actually divided into 3 sections. Number 1, Glory of Motion. Number 2, The Vision of Sudden Death. Number 3 part, Dream figure founded on preceding theme of sudden death. ये पार्ट्स भी एग्जाम में पूछे जा चुके हैं. यू प्लीज नोट ऑफ इट एंड प्रैक्टिस अबाउट इट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ डेड मैन इन डेप्टफोर्ड, published 1993, last novel of Anthony Burgess, right? Anthony Burgess, comic writer है ये. About character and life of Christopher Marlowe के बारे में इन्होंने इस वर्क में लिखा है, right? To his coy mistress Andrew Marvell, in which he talks about, and first it published 1681, in which he talks about 2 rivers, right? Number 1 Ganga and number 2 Hamper. गंगा इंडियन रिवर जिसको इन्होंने बहुत पवित्र सैक्रेड बताया है, एंड नेक्स्ट हम्पर इंग्लैंड रिवर, ईस्ट मार्वल्स होम टाउन, राइट? हल. दिस पोएम पोस्टमसली पब्लिश्ड. ये जो हम्पर है ना, इंग्लैंड रिवर, ये रिप्रेजेंट करती हैं जहाँ पे जो पास्ट टाइम था मार्वल्स का, जो होम टाउन था इनका, वहाँ पे उसको, राइट? और पोस्टमसली इस पोएम को पब्लिश किया गया था टू हिज क्वाई मिस्ट्रेस, राइट? इन विच ही टॉक्स अबाउट 2 रिवर्स. ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग एज आई टोल्ड मैनी टाइम्स एड्रेस करता है साइलेंट लिसनर को बाय इमेजिन स्पीकर। इसको पर्सोना पोएम भी बोलते हैं। पर्सोना पोएम ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग को ही कहा जाता है। नेक्स्ट वी हैव इपिक थिएटर, राइट, डेवलप्ड बाय जर्मन प्ले राइट बर्टरूड ब्राइट एंड सेकंड आर्नोल्ड ब्रॉनन, इन दोनों के द्वारा, राइट। बर्टरूड ब्राइट जो कि 20th सेंचुरी who wrote play Mother Courage and Her Children, right? Famous play by Bertolt Brecht. Next we have Aaron Browning, Australian playwright, plays Birth of Youth 1922 and Die Exist written 1923, right? Cyber Manifesto in 1985. This is the term coined by Donna Haraway. Donna Haraway, whose timing period 1944 in Socialist Review, right? In Socialist Review, she coined this term, Cyber Manifesto. Next, we have semiology, based two concepts, number one, genotext and phonotext, coined by Julia Kristeva, right? Hermeneutic circle talks about understand text as a whole with reference other. ये क्या करते हैं, टेक्स्ट को एज ए होल अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं और रेफरेंस करते हैं अदर्स को, राइट। नेक्स्ट वी हैव जोनाथन स्विफ्ट wrote A Modest Proposal. John Keats wrote Lambia in the year 1820, considered narrative poem Lambia in which serpent turn into women, right. Next we have Excursion, subtitle or another title you can say Recluse, written by Wordsworth in the year 1814, consider poem, right. Wanderer, the solitary, the poet, the poster are the characters in the Recluse. Okay, 9 philosophical book, pastoral monologue, different characters described in this poem. Okay, next we have Alastor. See, Alastor, written by Shelley in 1816, 720 lines poem. Alastor, considered Roman mythology figure. Okay, stream of consciousness, most important term, first appeared by James Joyce, the principle of psychology, in the year 1890, and this term also used by Virginia Woolf, right, who represent Victorian era in English literature. Stream of consciousness, माइंड के अंदर चलने वाले हमारे जो इनर थॉट होते हैं उन्हीं को बोला जाता है stream of consciousness, right. Next we have defamiliarization, first used in the essay Art as Device. Art as Device, written by Victor Sholbowski, 1917. Next we have Practical Criticism, written by I.A. Richards, book Practical Criticism, 1929. Next we have Clint Brock wrote The Well-Wrought Urn in the year 1947, in which heresy of phrase, paraphrase chapter, right. This is the chapter name in the book The Well-Wrought Urn, which published 1947, written by Clint Brook, most important writer, in which we study about him in New Criticism, right. Next, Life of Cole, 1779, written by Samuel Johnson. Preface to Lyrical Ballads, published 1800 by Wordsworth. A Defense of Poesy, P.B. Shelley, 1840. The Frontier of Criticism by T.S. Eliot in the year 1956. Hope guys all the information worth for you and will help you in your upcoming exam of literatures, right. In the hope that you subscribe my channel, I just upload my videos and gives you lots of information which is really very important for exam point of view. If you like, so please do like my channel as well as share with your friends. Till then, bye bye, and practice, do that much you can, right.